If your SIP shows 0% after a year, that's not failure, it's proof it's working. Stay with me for 3 quick checks to know your SIP is on track in a flat market and the one mistake that kills long term returns. Right now, lakhs of investors are thinking, why is my portfolio flat? Markets have been roughly sideways for months. Feels like running on a treadmill, lots of effort, no distance. But hidden inside this boring phase is a secret most people miss. Your money is quietly loading spring energy for the next jump. Here's how it works. When markets move sideways, your 10,000 SIP buys more units each month. It's like grabbing extra shares on sale. When the market finally takes off, those extra units multiply your gains automatically. That's why long-term investors call flat markets the accumulation gold mine. Every dull phase feels like nothing's happening, but inside, your SIP is collecting discounts month after month. 10-second SIP check. A. Are your units per month rising as price drifts? B. Is your average cost now below current NAV? C. Have you skipped 0 months in this flat phase? If you tick all 3, your SIP is doing its job perfectly. So if flat markets are good for SIPs, why do most investors still lose money here? Because they pause their SIPs right when it's working best. Skipping even 3 or 4 months means missing those cheap unit phases that fuel your future profits. Markets don't reward perfection, they reward continuity. The investor who shows up every month through fear, FOMO, and flatness always beats the one trying to time it. Now, a quick truth check. Are you really a high risk investor? It's easy to say yes when markets are green. But if every dip makes you panic, pause. Maybe you need a calmer mix, like an aggressive hybrid or balanced fund. They don't stop growth, they stop you from quitting. And while we are fixing habits, let's fix complexity. Splitting 15,000 rupees across 10 funds doesn't diversify you, it duplicates you. Pick 2 or 3 solid ones, one broad-based, one flexi, one for stability, and give them time. That's how real wealth builds. Slow, steady, unshakable. So what's the real danger in flat markets? It's not loss, it's boredom. And boredom is what silently kills long-term wealth. 0 returns today don't mean failure. They mean your discipline is being tested. Your portfolio is quietly building the foundation for tomorrow's growth. Every flat chart is a discount in disguise. The next rally always belongs to those who didn't quit during the boring middle. If you are watching this, you already have what most don't, patience. Now turn that patience into consistency. Drop a stay steady if you're holding your SIP, or back on track if this video brought you back. Comment SIP truth to get the checklist in next week's video. Tap like so this reaches someone about to give up. And subscribe for grounded, jargon-free financial clarity every week on Smart Finances with Ajay.